Hi guys, and welcome back to Lifestyles of the Savvy Saver, or in this case by now might as well say Lifestyles of the Cooking of the Savvy Saver. So today we're going to be making these Betty Crocker no-bake cookie dough bites and cookies and cream. So really quickly, for those that are in Florida or that have a Publix in their area, right now they're coupons for absolutely free items. So I'm going to quickly show you everything you can get for free. So these Old Paso World Taco Kits, absolutely free. There's 3 different flavors. Alex is back, my assistant. These Good Belly Probiotic Peanut Butter Crunch Cereal, absolutely free. Then we have a few yogurts currently. Liberté, I guess. A bunch of different flavors, free. This keto-friendly ratio yogurt. Not even gonna try to pronounce this one. Free. Do you know how to pronounce that?
Oikos.
Oikos. Free. And of course, we're making today the Betty Crocker, the no-bake cookie dough bites, free. And there's also 3 different flavors for that. So these are the digital coupons that you're gonna have to clip on the Publix app in order to be able to get all of these free goodies. So let's jump right in. The ingredients that we're going to need are very easy. Butter, cream cheese. That is it. Everything else is in the box. So I do have a mixing bowl, an electronic blender, a little microwave safe dish. We're gonna have somewhere to put it in because you're gonna have to refrigerate it. No baking, no cooking, no nothing. And a little bit of non-stick oil. All right, you ready?
As ready as I love it, be.
So here we have our base, the main ingredients, I guess. And then it comes with this little baggie of white chocolate for the drizzle. One-third cup cream cheese. 1/3. Set aside. So the dog treats were actually a hit with the dog, not the humans. So yeah, we made another batch.
Guest appearance. Look at my baby. She's so big.
So we have 1/3 cup cream cheese. Put that in our bowl.
Oh yeah, she loves the dog treats.
Oh my goodness! So I made a whole nother batch, like 40 more, literally 40 more treats.
Literally.
So 2 tablespoons butter. That's just
Totally different batch.
a little portion of what she has. All right, 2 tablespoons butter. And we're going, here, put in the microwave so that you have something to do for 20 seconds. Then we're gonna put that into our mixture and blend, blend, blend. Ooh, it's crackling in there. That looks good. So that was about what, maybe?
A minute and like 15?
Like a minute. So here we go.
I mean,
the butter is all
what did you say you put it
melted.
for?
20 seconds. Oh yeah, look, this is great.
Yeah, 20 plus 15, 35 seconds.
So do not put it for a minute. We're gonna put that into the mix. Want to get all of that goodness in there.
Looks delicious.
It smells good. Well, I love cream cheese, period. So, all right. So this is where we're gonna use our electric mixer. Oh, you know, how about you? Let's see if he remembers how to turn it on. In the previous video, he did
Ay,
not.
Dios mío.
Here you go. Blend away, sir. Wow. Oh, why'd you turn it off?
Because I thought that was a lower setting. Noah.
All right. So it looks like this. Probably I would mix. All right, so it looks like this. It really doesn't matter how well, I guess, you blend everything in because the entire thing is safe to eat raw. So really doesn't matter, but that looks good. So that's done. The next thing is to empty the topping, which is our little white chocolate bites, into a microwave safe bowl and cover microwave on high for a minute and then stir until melted and pourable. Noah's here with the measuring cup to measure I don't know what. And he's gonna love this, but let's make these balls. So it says that it makes 18. So I'm gonna try to make 18. Noah's watching a video on how to bake. Guys, how hilarious. He's literally watching a video on how to bake. Here, baby. All right, so let's make these balls.
I don't know what you want.
Yeah, guys, so if you put it in the microwave for too long, it hardens to a point that it makes it very difficult to make it liquidy again. So at that point, you just have to add a little bit of oil. So I'll handle that. Do you want to make little balls? He said no. The balls have to harden. He asked me if they are bakeable. No bake. I guess the size really doesn't matter. You make whatever size you want. You make whatever size ball you want. Doesn't have to be 18. Like, technically, you could just take this and just eat it. What? What?
Nothing.
See, now you have to tell them.
No, I don't.
Wow. He's gonna keep us all in the dark with his little cynical jokes in his head. Let's try it.
Cookies and cream, my favorite.
You want to try it?
Oh, yeah.
Because you could eat it raw. That's good. You know what I would have done? I would have made them really small, like maybe ½ an inch, and then put them in vanilla ice cream.
Ooh,
oh yeah. So let's try to save this chocolate. Put a little oil.
Oh, a lot of oil? A lot of oil?
Oopsie daisies, that is gonna be interesting. So it's nice and liquidy. So now let's put our balls into this dish. And now put this in the thingy for me, please. I have a little Ziploc bag with the sandwich bags, and we're just gonna put all of this goodness. Here, you can hold this for me. We're gonna get it to the tip, like that. Get it all the way down to that little tip. And then you could tie it if you want and be super professional about it. And now you have like a little piper. A little very cheap homemade piper. Then here, we're just gonna cut really teeny tiny hole and drizzle. Here you go, drizzled and ready for the fridge. And that's it. And then we'll come back
Ready for the frizzle.
We'll come back in 20 minutes when it's out of the freezer. But in all seriousness, it just says drizzle topping and refrigerate until set.
Sizzle.
I guess set is up to your discretion.
Disgrizzle.
And it says they could be frozen or refrigerated, and you could store them for up to a week. Or in a resealable bag in the freezer for up to 60 days. But in all seriousness,
Bizzle.
You guys think this will last 60 days? Or a
60
week?
seconds.
Or a week? All right, go. Put it in. We'll be back. All right, so it's been about, how long do you think?
I don't know, an hour maybe?
Go, take one. And we're each gonna take a little bite. Go ahead.
It smells like nothing.
How is it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
No. We were each supposed to try from that. Oh, okay. All right, let's try this. It's interesting. I like that.
I like it too.
But it's like eating straight up vanilla.
I don't know about all that. I taste the cookies and cream.
Very good. Wait, Noah, come here, baby. Come here.
No, he's not gonna go to sleep tonight.
We're gonna give him a little piece. Here, try it. Look at Daddy. Is it good? You like it?
Oh, do you?
The fact that he's reaching for more, I'm gonna say
more.
he does. Enjoy, baby. Mmm.